Hi, today I'm here at the Unley Community Centre whipping up 3 delicious and healthy dishes from my Meals for Immunity recipe book. I am here with Chloe. Chloe, would you like to tell me a little bit about your role here at the centre?
Sure. So I'm the meal service coordinator here and the cook. Along with some volunteers, we dish up meals for our over 50s in the area 4 days a week. We have a varied menu of home cooked meals, and our patrons love to come here and spend a little part of their day.
I'm sure they do. That sounds lovely. And thank you for all of your great work here at the centre as well.
Yeah.
Should we get started on the fennel chicken and orange and kale salad, which you can find in the Meals for Immunity recipe book? So essentially, Chloe, I've already cut the breast in half. If I can get you to throw in the thyme and fennel seeds into the chicken. Perfect. And just the parsley. So parsley is really rich in antioxidants and delicious flavour as well. And some black pepper. Perfect. And I just have half a cup of orange juice here. You can either freshly squeeze it yourself or just grab it from the fridge. You want to throw that in? Perfect. And now just a drizzle of olive oil. There you go. Now, sorry Chloe, you have to get your hands dirty and mix that all in. Perfect. She's obviously the professional here. In the meantime, I've just had some water boiling. So in this half a cup of wholemeal couscous, I'm just going to add in 1 cup of boiled water. So really rich in fibre and protein. So the couscous is one of the key ingredients in this dish. And just pop the lid on, and that's it. So we'll just let the couscous absorb the water and cook just like it would with rice or quinoa and other types of really delicious grains. And now we'll just let the chicken marinate for a few minutes before we pop it on the stove to cook. Okay, so our chicken has been nicely marinating away. So Chloe, do you mind if you just add the chicken into the frying pan? I've also just drizzled a bit of olive oil into the frying pan as well. There we go. Perfect. And now let's get all of these really delicious juices into the frying pan as well. Great. Thank you. All right, and now we'll just leave that to cook. When we get some nice grilled marks, we'll turn it over as well. So our chicken has been grilling away for a few minutes now, and it's looking super delicious and nice and golden. Chloe, do you mind just adding it to our plate? Okay, now we're going to be making our kale and orange salad, and I have the lovely Chloe again assisting me. So Chloe, do you mind just lifting up the lid? Yep, and just fluff up the couscous with a fork. Perfect, so that looks all good to go. So I'm just going to add the kale in with the couscous. There you go. And chickpeas, which is probably one of my favourite protein sources because they're so cheap and so versatile, you can literally just throw it into anything. So throw the chickpeas into salad as well. Great. Got a bit of remaining orange juice for some extra added vitamin C. Chloe would like to drizzle in some olive oil full of healthy fats. And I'll chop up this orange. Perfect. Yes, please. And some more oranges because our immune system loves vitamin C. So I'll throw those on top. Yum, this looks really good.
Fabulous.
All right, great. We have the perfect side salad now to go on the side of our fennel chicken. So here we have my fennel chicken and orange, kale and chickpea salad, which your immune system and your gut is going to love.